Made within 1 minute, this microwave triple chocolate chip cookie is packed with chocolate. Perfect for a quick snack or dessert, this triple chocolate chip cookie is also egg-free and can be made using a non-dairy milk as well. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. In a large microwave safe bowl, melt the unsalted butter in the microwave in 20-second intervals. Add granulated sugar and stir until combined. Add milk, all-purpose flour, milk cocoa powder, dark cocoa powder, baking soda, salt, and vanilla extract. Stir until combined, making sure to get all of the ingredients from the bottom and sides of the bowl mixed in. The measurements for this recipe are listed in the description below. It will look like too much flour has been added, but it will come together, so make sure not to add any additional milk. Add in chocolate chips and fold them into the mixture. You can also use pieces of a chocolate bar or a mixture of chocolate chips. Roll and shape the dough into a ball. Lay the mixture on a small piece of parchment paper and lightly press the cookie to flatten it out a little and reshape any edges as needed. Feel free to add additional chocolate chips on top of the dough. Place the cookie dough in the microwave and microwave for 1 minute. Let this triple chocolate chip cookie cool for about 5 to 10 minutes before eating. Check out other easy 1-minute cookie recipes in the link above or in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. Come back soon to bake more good things.